If you work in finance, corporate strategy, or research, AlphaSense might sound familiar, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another document search tool when in reality, AlphaSense is an AI-powered research platform that lets you quickly find insights across thousands of financial filings, news sources, and analyst reports. AlphaSense uses natural language search and AI to highlight trends, sentiment, and key metrics, saving hours of manual research. For example, if you want to track mentions of the competitor or emerging market trends, AlphaSense surfaces relevant information instantly, with filters for date, source, and document type. Its AI summary features also allow you to get concise insights without reading full reports. The platform is highly regarded for accuracy and speed. Professionals in investment banking, corporate development, and consulting rely on it to make informed decisions quickly. It also integrates with tools like Salesforce, which streamlines workflow for teams. On the downside, AlphaSense is pricey and aimed at enterprise users, so it's not suitable for casual investors or students. The learning curve can also be steep due to the platform's depth, and smaller teams may find it overwhelming initially. In conclusion, AlphaSense is a powerful tool for professionals who need rapid, accurate access to business intelligence. If you work in finance, strategy, or research, it can significantly boost productivity and insight discovery. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more reviews of professional tools that save time and increase efficiency.